Hello everyone. Here we are going to solve a word problem from the chapter HCF and LCM. The question here is find the greatest 3-digit number that is exactly divisible by 8, 10 and 12. The trick in this question is not to get misled by the word greatest, because normally when the word greatest comes, what we do, we blindly use HCF, isn't it? So these kind of shortcuts of matching a word to the type of to the solution or to the step that you need to do in solving the problem does not work always. So be very cautious. There are some simple tips and tricks that you can use, but you should also know when there are exceptions. Okay, so here the word greatest does not mean directly that you have to find the HCF, because you should read that in connection to the other words that are given, which is exactly divisible. So find the greatest 3-digit number that is exactly divisible by 8, 10 and 12. So you must know what these words mean, exactly divisible by. What does these words mean? So let us look at it using a simple example. Say I am going to ask you a simple question. Find a number that is exactly divisible by 3. Can you tell me a number which is exactly divisible by 3? So what is the number that comes to your mind? Is it something like 6, then 9, 12, 15, so on and so forth? You can even tell me 333. You can tell me 999. You can tell me any answer, right? So there are so many numbers that are exactly divisible by 3. But what are these numbers? What are these numbers that you are thinking about? So these numbers are what? Multiples of 3, isn't it? So when the term exactly divisible, when you see the words exactly divisible, it could mean that you are talking about the multiples. Correct? So that is why the problem that is given to us here is a multiple question rather than a factor question. But there is also another trick. So you've understood this, right? So let me just write it out so that we know why we are taking the multiples route instead of the factors route. But there is also another trick here. You are not just asked to find a number that is exactly divisible by 8, 10 and 12. You are asked to find the greatest 3-digit number. So it is not about LCM, but it's about the greatest 3-digit number that is a multiple of 8, 10 and 12. So I will reword this question like this. See if that makes sense to you. Let us decode the question. Find the greatest 3-digit number that is a multiple of 8, 10 and 12. Is that right? Can I write the same question in this format, in this form? Correct? This is both the same question? Correct. Once you have agreed on that, now let us see how to solve this question. Now you know that you are talking about the multiple. Correct? So now regarding multiple, we know and we have to find a multiple of one number. We know you just write the multiplication table and find it, but here you have to find the multiple of all the 3 numbers. So you have to find a common multiple of all the 3 numbers, and that too has to be a greatest 3-digit number. So to jump to that step, first we will use the process that we know. That is, we know to find the least common multiple of any 3 numbers. Correct? We know to find this. We know to find the least common multiple of any 3 numbers. So let us use that process and find the LCM of 8, 10 and 12. This LCM now will help us to answer this question, to help us to find the greatest 3-digit number. Let us see how. So let us find the LCM of 8, 10 and 12. So we can do it So the answer here, it will be 2. So 4, 5 and 6, and then again another 2. So this will be 2, 5 and 3, right? So you can proceed to do it, but since 2, 5 and 3 have no more common factors, I am just going to be finding the LCM. 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 2 times, and then 5 times 3, right? So now I know that the LCM is 120. Alright, so we have found the LCM. So the first step was to find the LCM of these numbers. So we will use this to find, to answer the question that is given to us. So let us not, we don't need this, so we can alright. So we have found the LCM of these numbers. So okay, so we have found the LCM of the numbers 8, 10 and 12. So what remains to be found? We have to find the greatest 3-digit number, that is the multiple of 8, 10 and 12. Now 120, so what does this mean? 120 is a multiple of 8, 10 and 12, correct? Because 120 is the least common multiple. So 120 is a multiple of 8, 10 and 12. Now if 120 is a multiple of 8, 10 and 12, do you all agree that 240 is also a multiple of 8, 10 and 12? How did I get 240? How did I get 240? I just multiplied 120 by 2. So I got 240. So 240 is also a multiple of 8, 10 and 12. So let me say another multiple, 360. If I multiply it by 3, I get 360. Is it also a multiple of 8, 10 and 12? Right? So I can keep on arriving like these. I can go on arriving at multiples of 120 to get the multiples of 8, 10 and 12. So how can we arrive at this answer easily? So we can do one thing. We know the 12 times table. So we will use it to write the 120 times table. So we will use it to write. So we know that 12 times 7 is 84, which means that 120 times 7 is 840. You have to use all these tricks. Okay, you know, if you know 12 times table, you can write the 120 times table. So you know that 12 8s are is 96. So 120 times 8 is 960. Now you know that 12 9s are is 108. So 120 times 8 becomes 1080. Right? So now what happens? So 960 is, here it is 9. So here you get 960 and then you are jumping off to 1080. So 960 is the 3-digit number and 1080 becomes the 4-digit number. So this is the greatest 3-digit number, that is a multiple of 120. If it's a multiple of 120, it also means that it is a multiple of 8, 10 and 12. Okay, so what are the 2 steps that you would do if you are asked this type of question? What will you do? So you will first find the step 1. So your step 1 would be to find the So step 1 would be to find the LCM of the given numbers, and the LCM word is decided when you see the words which is exactly divisible by. Okay, find the LCM. And step 2 will be to find the multiples of LCM. Okay, so these are the 2 steps. So find the multiples of LCM till you get the greatest 3-digit number or greatest 2-digit number, whatever is asked in the question. Alright.